Welcome to Credit Union Administrator Training. The Shared Branching online training system has been updated to give you more control and more flexibility. This module will help you get started. We've included a couple of demonstrations so you'll know how to navigate the system. We'll even show you where to click. With the new system, you'll be able to view the students in your credit union, add students, and make and view reports. To get started, go to our new website and log in. When you sign in, you'll be taken to the course page. This is the same page your students will see when they log in. For administrator functions, you'll want to go to the admin page. To get to the admin page, click on the gear icon, like this. This is the admin page. This is the page where you will make and view reports, view and manage your students, and create new students. In many cases, there are multiple ways to get the information you need. For this course, we'll show you just one. Let's look at reports. You have the ability to create almost any kind of report that you want. You can sort reports by student, course, or date. First, we'll look at how to view a standard report. These are reports that are already in the system. We're going to look at a report called Courses by Users. This report will show us how many students we have in each of our courses. To get started, click on My LMS and then select Reports. Look for the report called Courses Users. Click on the magnifying glass icon to view the report. Here is the Courses Users report. It shows the number of subscribers or students that are enrolled in each course, how many have taken the course, and how many have successfully completed it. You can save your report in various formats. In this case, we'll save the report as an Excel file by clicking Export as XLS. Now let's make a custom report. For this example, let's create a report that will show us the students that have enrolled in the courses Funds Availability or Regulatory Compliance. From the admin page, select My LMS and then select Reports. This time, select the New button. Type in the name for the report. You can name your reports anything you like. You can choose to base the report on users or courses. We're going to choose users so that we can see the individual students. We'll make sure that users is highlighted and then click Next. Now we'll select the group of students that we want to search. There are two ways to select students, or users. If you were looking for particular students, you would select the Users tab and then check the students that you wanted to include in your report. In our example, we want to find all the students in our credit union who have enrolled in these two courses, so we're going to click on Organization Chart. We'll select our state folder and then select our credit union. Next to your credit union name, click the button that says Yes. This will select every student at your credit union. To continue, click Save Changes. We want to look at students in relation to their courses, so we'll make sure number 1, Relates Users to Courses is selected, and click Confirm. The next section can be a little intimidating at first. There are dozens of choices available to customize reports. You could make literally hundreds of different reports, but I don't think you want that many, do you? So let's walk through the selections for this report together. We want our report to show us only the students who completed Funds Availability or Regulatory Compliance. Under Select Courses, click Courses Manual Selection. Choose your state from the list. Now check the boxes for Funds Availability and Regulatory Compliance. We want to see only those students who completed these courses, so we'll check the Completed box under User Status. Under Show Users Custom Fields, we'll select the information about the students that we want to have on our report. In this case, we just need their first name and last name. Now we need to decide what we want to see on the report about the course. Let's select Completed to show whether the student has finished the course, and Final Score to see how they did on the quiz. You can view the report before you save it. It's a good way to see if you have the report just the way you want. Don't worry, you can save it later if you like what you see. And voila! Here is our customized report. Let's export it to Excel. Just click Export as XLS. Now let's look at how to add new students and manage existing students. We'll start by adding a new student. We'll start back at the admin page. Under Users Management, click on New User and fill out the registration form for your student. By registering students this way, the email address is optional. If you wish, you can have the student set their own password when they sign in for the first time, but that's optional too. Once you click Confirm, this student may log in and start taking courses. If students self-register, they will complete the registration form themselves. They'll need to have an email address because a confirmation email will be sent to them to complete the registration process. They will also need the code for your credit union. Now that you have students enrolled, how do you view and manage them? From the admin page, click on Organization Chart. Your credit union name will appear here, and a complete list of your students will display below. You have access only to the students in your credit union. Let's look at more detail for one of these students, Amy student. To view, click the magnifying glass. This will show some general information about Amy. For more details, click User Statistics. This will show us all the courses Amy is enrolled in, whether she has completed them, and what score she got on the quiz. You could remove Amy from the credit union using the Remove from Node icon, or ban her from taking further classes with the Suspend icon that looks like a little lock. If Amy loses her password or changes her name, you can easily update her profile using the Edit icon. The Edit page looks just like the registration page. We hope that you enjoy using our new system. This is your learning management system, so don't be afraid to explore.